In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a job board on your Wix website. If you're looking to add a dynamic feature to your site where employers and potential candidates can connect easily, you're in the right place. This instructional guide will walk you through adding and customizing Wix groups, a powerful tool that makes interaction on your site seamless and professional. Let's dive right in with the first step. To start, you'll want to add Wix groups to your site. Wix groups is an incredibly resourceful tool that allows individuals to communicate directly on your website. It's particularly useful for job postings as it provides a platform for employers to advertise open positions and engage with job seekers who visit your site. To incorporate this feature, navigate to the Add Apps section in your Wix site's editor. Once there, type Wix Groups into the search bar and let the results load. When you find Wix Groups, simply add it to your page and you'll be ready for the next step. Next, we'll look at customizing your group's layout. Personalizing the layout is crucial because it ensures the job board aligns with your branding and meets the functional needs of your audience. To begin customizing, click on your forum within the editor. You'll see a settings option which you need to select. This area allows you to modify the overall appearance of your group. Specifically, you'll want to pay attention to the Layout tab. In this section, you can adjust the arrangement and look of your main page, tailoring it to make sure it's inviting and easy to navigate for users. Once you've chosen an initial layout, it might be time to dig even deeper into the customization options. To do this, you'll want to use the Manage Groups function on the Wix Groups element, which you can access by clicking on the element within your editor. This will take you directly to the dashboard dedicated to group settings. Here, you have the opportunity to tweak and further refine the settings according to the unique needs of your job board. You can modify privacy settings, manage member permissions, and even set parameters for group engagement. This ensures that your job board operates smoothly and efficiently. As we wrap up, it's worth emphasizing the importance of taking your time with each customization option. Each tweak and adjustment can significantly impact user experience, encouraging more interactive engagement from both employers and prospective employees. Remember, the ultimate goal is to create a welcoming and efficient job board that enhances connectivity and provides a valuable resource for both job posters and seekers alike. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on optimizing your Wix website.